Meet a transaction, account registration tutorial. Click Register. Select phone email to register. The method you choose will be your Meet a Transaction login ID. For phone method, choose country. Fill in phone number. Fill in promoted code. Click Continue. For email method, choose country. Fill in email address. Fill in promoted code. Click Continue. Fill in the 4-digit OTP from your email or SMS. Fill in your login password. Click Complete. You have successfully registered. How to bind Google Authenticator to Meet a Transaction account. First, download Google Authenticator. Register an account or use your current account to log in. Click Add a code. Click Enter a setup key. Then you will enter to this page. Fill in the account name with Meet a Transaction. Then open Meet a Transaction app and log into your account. Click Profile. Click Google Authenticator Binding. Click the copy icon and paste the Google secret that you copied just now in your key. Then press Add. This page will appear after clicking Add. Then go back to Meet a Transaction app and click Confirm. When you see the word bound, that means your binding was successful.
How to register for a personal account on Binance app. Open the Binance app and tap Sign Up. Select a registration method. You can sign up with your email address, phone number, Apple or Google account. Select email or phone number and enter your email address, phone number. Then create a secure password for your account. You will receive a 6-digit verification code in your email or phone number. Enter the code within 30 minutes and tap Submit. How to complete identity verification for a personal account on the Binance app. Log in to your Binance account and tap Verify Now on the app homepage. Select your country of residence and you will see a list of verification required for your country, region. Tap Continue. Please ensure that your country of residence is consistent with your ID documents. Enter your personal information and tap Continue. Please make sure that all the information entered is consistent with your ID documents. You won't be able to change it once confirmed. Next, you will need to upload pictures of your ID documents. Please choose the type of ID and the country your documents were issued. Most users can choose to verify with a passport or ID card, or driver's license. Follow the instructions to take photos of your documents. Your photos should clearly show the full ID document. For example, if you are using an ID card, you have to take photos of the front and back of your ID card. After uploading the document photos, the system will ask you to do a liveness check. Center your face in the frame and follow the instructions to complete it. Please make sure your whole face is clearly visible, centered, and your eyes are open. Do not wear hats, glasses, or use filters, and make sure that the lighting is sufficient. After completing the process, please wait patiently. Binance will review your data in a timely manner. Once your application has been verified, Binance will send you an email notification. After the verification process was successfully completed, you will see the notification status as verified.
How to purchase USDT with your local currency and transfer to Meet a Transactions. Log into your Binance app, click the home page, and tap here. Click here for Switch to the Pro version. When this page appears, it is converting to Pro version. Click here again. Click P2P on this page. Tap P2P at the top of the screen and choose Express. Choose your country currency. Select either buy and choose the crypto you want to trade. Tap Buy Credo change buy crypto to buy cash. Enter the amount of you want to trade. TAP buy with zero fee to confirm your order. The system will automatically create a P2P order that matches your requirements and match it with the best available orders on the P2P market. Please make payment according to the payment method you choose within the time period specified by the seller. You will see the seller payment information. Please make payment as instructed. Once you transferred the payment, tap Transferred, Notify Seller. The order status will change to releasing. The seller will release the crypto after confirming your payment. Please wait patiently. Once the seller confirms and releases your cryptocurrency, the order status will show completed. Also, come back to the app homepage. Tap on the wallet icon to view your purchased crypto. On this page, you can view the cryptocurrency you purchased. How to transfer to Meta transactions. Log into your Binance app and tap Wallets. Tap Spot, then tap Withdraw. Choose USDT. Important note, Meta transaction crypto address can only receive USDT TRC20. Tap Send via crypto network. Select the network. Choose Tron Turk 20. Enter the amount you want to deposit into Meta transaction. Now take the recharge address in META transaction. First, log into your Meta transaction app. Click Profile. Click Deposit. Click this to copy the address. After that, open your Binance app. Paste the TRC20 address that you copied from Meta transaction into here. After then, click the withdrawal. Please confirm that your address and the amount are correct, and click Confirm. Complete your security verification, please. After confirming the withdrawal, request please wait patiently for the transfer to be processed. You can also click here to view your pending payments. It will take some time to process your request. After a few minutes, you can refresh and click again to see if there is a completed word. Go back to your Meta Transactions app and click I have recharged. After that, click Funds. Click Wallet. Usually a few minutes later, the USDT will show in your wallet. Congratulations, it's finished. How to transfer from wallet to assets. Log in your account. Click Funds. Click Wallet Transfer. Fill in the amount you want to transfer. Next, open Google Authenticator app. Copy the 6 digits code. Make sure to fill in the 6 digits code and click Confirm before time's up.